Sa bagay, kung sinabi mo nga, droga, pampagising, na ano pa, i-expect mo sa na may kape.
Correct.
Bakit droga talaga, no?
Droga man talaga.
Pang overtime.
Yung pinakaway klaro nga, polis ako nakitaan ba?
Extended pa yan.
Kami talagang polis na loko-loko na kilala ko, pero grabe yan talaga. Grabe yan. Grabe na yun. Mga bakit guilty kayo nga si Marbil talaga nakasakay doon? Bakit niya ginawang issue yan? In the first place, sa totoo lang, kung maayos lang sana talaga to si Marbil ba? Wala sanang, hindi sana ginagamit yung pangalan niya sa mga ganong klaseng bagay na mga tao, kung yan yung sinasabi nila na dumadaan ng bus lane. Kung talagang stricto ka na PNP chief, wala sanang mga aabuso dyan gamit yung pangalan mo. Yan talaga culture kasi ng gobyerno. Kung pakita mo sana na maayos ka, hindi ka magsabi na yung sabo or yung droga, pampatagal lang, pampahaba ng oras kasi kailangan magtrabaho, ginarespeto ka sana enough. Kung hindi man ikaw yung nandoon talaga sa bus lane na yan, na hindi gamitin yung pangalan mo sa kalokohan. Ang problema mo kasi, yung mga pinagsasabi mo, hindi ka talaga marespeto ng mga tao, kaya pwede kang gamitin yung pangalan mo sa kabulukan. Tingnan nyo, PNP chief refuses to name convoy members who used EDSA bus lane. That only means he has knowledge of who those individuals were. So that confirms na alam nila talaga, alam ng PNP chief na may nangyayaring ganun. And yet, anong ginagawa mo? Pinagtatakpan mo yung mga tao na umaabuso ng kanilang otoridad. Unsang klaseng police man ka kung ingon anak ka? You should enforce the law. Init ang ulo ba? Grabe. Init yun ang ulo mga ani na mga tao ba?
Okay.
Ang politiko, okay pa manggod.
Gani.
Ang politiko ba? Because they are politicians. They can, like, say whatever they want to say. It's up to them kung, the people will accept it or not. But these people, uniformed personnel, they took an oath to, uphold the law, enforce the law, protect the people.
Serve and protect.
Diba? And, look at this behavior that we're getting from the PNP chief. He refuses to name convoy members who use the EDSA bus lane. And that is a very big, it's not really, that's too dramatic, a big issue. But, people in Metro Manila, they go through traffic every day. And, it destroys your life somehow.
Yeah.
And yet, they cannot answer, and they cannot, maintain. Hindi nila maayos yung bus lane na yan. Para na lang sana sa mga tao na tumitiis sa traffic. So, tapos may police na hinuli yung convoy. Why can you not honor the actions of those policemen who were doing their job or who were doing the right thing? Ang ginagawa nyo ngayon, you are being defensive kasi may nangyaring ganun. And you're supposed to celebrate somebody from your personnel that did the right thing and stood up against those people who abused their power. Yun sa mga, para lang talaga dyan sa bus lane na yan.
Tama.
Sa bagay, kung sinabi mo nga, droga, pampagising, na ano pa, i-expect mo sa na may kape.
Correct.
Bakit droga talaga, no?
Droga man talaga.
Pang overtime.
Yung pinakaway klaro nga polis ako nakitaan ba?
Extended pa yan.
Kami talagang polis na loko-loko na kilala ko, pero grabe yan talaga. Grabe yan. Grabe na yun. Like I said lagi, politicians, I can tolerate them. But people in uniform, personnel, uniformed personnel, they should be stick with their oath and their responsibilities as government workers. Iba yun eh. Yung mga politiko, we are elected. Kani mo sila plantilyan eh. O, diba? Permanent workers kung sila sa government. Kaya mga politiko, if we fuck up, pwede may pulihan.
Yeah.
Doon nga tayo sa punto mo, Mayor, na they're the ones who took to
Enforce the law.
promote the law, to uphold the law.
Sige.
Tama ka, Mayor, no, gaya nga, dito sa Davao City, for instance, may mga police na nagloloko. I think somehow, being chief executive, we feel the burden nga na nahihiya tayo.
Ay, ikaw, di ba?
Correct, Mayor.
Kung di ba, alam ko na you're working for the government.
Correct.
Tapos, pag may mga ganun na kasama mo sa gobyerno, si Raulo, nakakahiya.
Tama. Pag may nagloko na police na
It
napapahiya,
will reflect.
it will reflect.
Oh, on the government. Sa
Correct.
government, sa
Everyone,
kabuuan ng
public
gobyerno.
Service. So, ito nga, coming from that discussion, so ito nga, si PNP Chief Marbil, if meron talagang naging violation, we're curious, ano kaya ang nararamdaman din ng kanyang
Chief Executive.
boss? Baka nahiya din
Commander-in-Chief.
si President. Kay President ba siya nag-report?
Yeah.
Kay LG pa.
I'm sure the president is proud of him because they award stupidity. They reward stupidity in this administration.
He even extended the,
The term of office.
the term of Marbil.